So, um, just always have an eye toward what is right. Always do what you know is right in your heart. And don't resent other people, and, that'll get you off to a really good start. And then you can start to look at things. I'll never forget one more thing. See, awareness. See, awareness is one of the things I talked about, the things that you lose, the spiritual treasures, peace of mind and God's approval and love and wisdom. The other thing that you lose is, a free awareness, free to discover, to discern, to realize when you become, um, trapped in something. So, but your awareness is associated with your attitude. You can change your attitude really fast. I'll never forget where I used to work a long time ago. You remember back a long time ago, people would smoke in the office. Everybody was smoking. There was one man there was a heavy pipe smoker. He just smoked the pipe constantly all day long. And then one day he came to the office and he wasn't smoking his pipe. And then a few weeks went by and he wasn't smoking. And then I said to him, "You stopped smoking your pipe?" He said, "Yeah." I said, "Well, boy, that must have been hard to give it up." He said, "No." He said, "One night I was sitting there in my living room and I picked up my pipe and I looked at it and the smell of it and all of a sudden I just didn't have any interest in it and I threw it in the fireplace and I've never smoked again." He suddenly saw it with awareness. See, he saw it with awareness, and that awareness went to work, and he was free. He was in that moment, he became unattached. Now he was free to see it for what it is and to let it go. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's program. I sure did enjoy making it. A lot of food for thought here. Remember, you can get this radio program on the radio stations. They have podcasts, and also at iHeartRadio, Audacity, Spotify, Apple Music, Apple Podcasts, Amazon Music, all over the place. Shedding Shackles. You can get the Shedding Shackles podcast there. So you can get this there. And this is also going to be a YouTube video because I'm making this program live in front of the camera. And so it's also going to be a YouTube video. You can actually watch this program at YouTube. Just go to sheddingshackles.com, click on watch, and you'll see how to click on my YouTube channel.